today we are going to look at how we are able to install SiteKit, right? So what is SiteKit? SiteKit is actually a software plug-in by Google, so that we are able to connect to Google, and Google will know that our website is updated. And of course, it is very important for every website to have that, because we want Google to be able to capture all our information. Yep. Okay, so let's get to it. Now first, go to plugin. Of course, you need to log into your WordPress, and this is the dashboard of WordPress. Then after that, go to add plugin over here. Okay, once you are there, click on search and then look for SiteKit. Alright, and wait for it to search for SiteKit. Okay, so do note that SiteKit is with a space over here. So we're going to put a space and let it search again. Now, from here you will see that it is SiteKit by Google. Okay, so click on install and wait for it. Okay, so now installation is done. Click activate. Voila, so now it's done. And then click on start setup over here. And then you'll be redirected to the SiteKit setup page. Click on this box, connect Google Analytics as part of your setup. And then, of course, let's allow Google to improve SiteKit. And then sign in with Google. So once you click on sign in with Google, go to the email over here that you are choosing to install. And then after that, click continue. Select every single thing here and click continue. And after that, click on verify. Right, over here is to turn on the matrix. Yes, we want to know everything, so click allow and then set up the search console. Okay, so search console is a very important part to allow Google to know your website. So click next. Okay, so now everything is going to connect, right? So the account name, typically I will just put the website URL so that it is easier to find. And then the property is to use the website URL, and the web data stream is also the website URL, right? So why is it that there is such a different naming? It's because it is possible that you are using a subdomain like an app. Yeah, in this case, it is not an app, it is just the website itself. Then of course, click on the time zone. If you are not from Singapore, put on your time zone and then enable enhanced measurement. Then click account, create account. Alright, then continue and then allow SiteKit, right, to access every single data of your WordPress website. Now over here, choose the country that you are from. In this case, I'm from Singapore, so I click on Singapore and then accept, right, everything that is here, unless you do not allow them to access your data, which in this case, we will want them to access our data, because we want Google to be able to see our website. We want them to grab every single thing from our website so that our website will be able to start ranking in Google. Okay, so finally, your analytics account was successfully created. Okay, so now if you can see this, congrats on completing the setup of analytics. Click on go, got it. All right, and yeah, of course. Okay, so over here it is trying to introduce you other information. Okay, you can see other services here as well, right? So other than Google Analytics, Google Search Console, it has also Google Ads, Google AdSense, and Reader Revenue Manager, Tag Manager, and so forth. All right, and of course it has got a feature whereby you can allow your users to sign in with Google. Right, so the rest of these features are actually not compulsory, okay, because these are just other services. Okay, so we will not get into that. All right. Now, okay, so for this, if you are targeting the Europe economic area, you might want to enable it. If not, you can just leave it as it is. Okay, so in this case, we can just install it. Okay, if you are not from Europe economic area, you can ignore this portion. Yep. Okay, so this is actually another plugin, which is WP Consent API. Okay, you can just install it and it will install the API, but it is totally optional. Okay, but however, for this one, set up new visitor group. Okay, it is easier for you to manage in the future. Okay, so we can enable it, okay, to know where our users are from, okay, and it's to allow us to be able to read the data easier. Okay, so we've added visitor group section to your dashboard. All right, so got it. And yep, that's all I have for you today. How to install Google SiteKit. So once you have got all these services connected, Google will take 72 hours to crawl your website. Okay, and in the future, whatever information or blog that we have posted, it will be recognized by Google much easily and faster. That's all for today. Thank you.